UVA Library offers customized resources and guidance for course design. Whether you are teaching online or on grounds, library services and support are available to all instructors. Our embedded Instructor portal is a one-stop resource for managing your course materials and enhancing the learning experience for your students. To navigate to your portal, on the left-hand side of your course menu in Canvas, select UVA Library Portal. Then click on the Instructors tab. With our Instructor tab, you get access to tools to streamline your course design. Here's how it works. Need course materials? Easily request content like articles, book chapters, ebooks, or video with our forms. We have a quick FAQ section that covers our textbook purchasing and scanning policies. Remember, when you link or upload resources to your course, you need to adhere to copyright law. No need to worry. We have a tutorial video that covers the basics on uploading content to Canvas. We encourage you to save your students' money where you can. You can search our catalog, Virgo, for library ebooks that can replace expensive textbooks and get help from our Open Educational Resources team to find, adapt, or create open resources for your course. You can also use this portal to book a librarian to teach a session for your course. Library instruction complements your teaching and ensures your students are equipped to tackle their assignments. We cover everything from beginner information literacy skills to advanced literature reviews in your discipline. Last but not least, save time by browsing our pre-curated content. Your liaison librarian keeps you up to date with the latest podcasts, streaming video, or datasets in your subject areas for a multimodal learning experience. This is easy drag-and-drop content for course modules. Questions? Need additional support? Connect with our friendly support staff via chat or email your liaison librarian. We'll be happy to assist you.